Hi Joanne, it's Kevin. With the new upgrade to D2L, I've been finding the navigation to be a little bit more complicated than in the past. So what I've been working on is a way to really help our students, and what I've come up with is kind of making the content section the central hub now of the course, even more so than it was in the past. So I didn't know how to really explain all of this by text and screenshots, so I just thought it would be easier to show you a quick video of what I'm working on, and I didn't know if other people were having similar issues, maybe there are other solutions out there, or if anybody else wants to use the solutions that I've drafted here, they are more than welcome to. So when a student enters the course into the course home, mostly they will go directly to course content unless they're going to discussions, etc. I am logged in as a student right now on this in this browser, and it's the first week. How I've structured the content section now is the same as before by module. So in this case, we're at the Start Here module. But I've done some subdividing. So I've done lecture and readings, and then I've broken down the activities one at a time. Now, because this is the orientation module, there really is nothing but a lot of descriptions, except for an occasional activity like this readiness survey that not only has a description, but they're also going to utilize the survey feature inside of D2L. This new version does have some handy features that allow you to really keep this stuff all in the content section. So kind of let me show you. First though, not only am I doing breaking these modules down more, I've done a couple of other things. Under course information, which will always be at the top, so this all Start Here will disappear after the first week and a half for orientation purposes, but then this course information always stays at the top, and the first thing under this is things to do daily. So I have check news forums, and when you click on that, you'll go to the news forums. But notice how the new D2L actually keeps it inside the frame, and I've also set it up so that only the module that they clicked in shows up here on the left. So only that course information module is showing up here on my left. And so things to do daily, news forums, here's the news, and you can actually read it right here. Check discussions, you can scroll through, check your discussion forums, and check gradebook. I'll show you another quick example. When you're ready to go to a different module, you just click exit and then go down to here like module 1. And then when you click introduction, everything you need for module 1 is right here. So readings, etc. So after we get done reading the general information, we can get the description of this icebreaker and find out what the assignment is. And we can actually go right to the discussion and actually post inside the discussion right here inside the course map, inside the content section. So I can actually compose inside here. It'll open a new window, and then when I post, it'll post right in here, allowing me to really never leave content, including letting me take a survey from here, letting me take a quiz from here. Oh, that one is, I forgot to finish that one, but I'll go back real quick and show you the survey. That's under Start. So I'm doing all this, kind of getting it cleaned up. So you'll notice again the module stuff, survey, click on survey, and here's the actual survey, and I can actually submit the survey directly here from the content section. I think this is much easier for the students, and the way I've set it up allows faculty to set it up once, and it will import from course to course, and I'm going to show you how I did that next. What I did was went to, let's say we want quizzes. Let's go fix that quiz problem that we had. So I go to quizzes from the student's perspective, and I highlight everything in the nav bar except for the last number after the equal sign. I'm going to copy that, And then I'm going to log in as an administrator. And I'm going to go to where I wanted that quiz. So quiz, and I'm going to edit. And I'm going to put that in exactly the way it was. And then instead of the number, I'm actually going to be in squiggly brackets org unit ID. And it has to be exactly like that, small org, capital U, unit, and then capital I and ID. Save and close. When I do that, now when I come down here and hit that quiz, you'll see this on the left and all my quizzes. So it doesn't go directly to the exact quiz that you need, but you can easily navigate to that quiz, and then again staying with inside the content. Other things that I did, you'll notice that these are small caps and bold, and then these are, I've taken away the bolding off here, period. Even if you haven't clicked on it, it's not bold. This way you didn't have a bunch of bold on the screen. It looked really bad. And how I did that was I went to settings, and I have some strings in here that tell it how to do the module name display, the topic name display, and how to do it differently inside the content viewer. And here is where you tell it show current module only. So anyway, like I said, I didn't know another way of doing this in text space, so I just made you this quick movie. Feel free to share. I hope all is well. I'll talk to you later. Ciao.